Yeah, go Joe. Yeah, all right. Whoa, nice catch. Take me out to the ball game. I love this. It's great. All right. Yeah, so here we are.
Wait.
What?
Don't eat that.
Why not? I'm at a ball game. I love dogs.
Haven't you heard about the nitrates in hot dogs causing cancer?
What?
Give me that.
Hey, how am I supposed to catch a foul ball?
Let me tell you, you got some crumbs on your mouth here.
Well, I think that was from the...
This is Crummy Tascadero.
The famous Amish chocolate chip cookie I ate before. Everything's ball game food. So what are you talking about?
Mike and Sandy Quast here today with the Real Parents. What's the topic today? It's nitrates in hot dogs.
That's right.
Get your hat on there straight, big kid.
Whoever thought that hot dogs could be harmful to your health? As if, you didn't know.
As if you didn't know, right? And here's something we found at the Cancer Prevention Coalition website. Excuse me. PreventCancer.com is the website. And this is something I'll just read off to you. It just says, what's wrong with hot dogs? Nitrate additives in hot dogs form carcinogens. Carcinogens? Carcinogenics?
She's French. Carcinogens.
Yes. And actually there's a petition to ban nitrates that they have out. There's 3 different studies that come out of the first year.
What do they put nitrates in supposedly for? I mean, what are nitrates in there for?
Nitrates are in there to act as a preservative,
okay,
to combat botulism, food poisoning, and also for color. But here's the thing. You could go out there to Trader Joe's or your local health food store or even some food stores. They sell hot dogs without nitrates. But why don't people buy those? Well, we'll tell you. They say it right here. Because the nitrate-free hot dogs actually have a brownish color to them. They're not that pink. That baby bottom pink.
Is that what a hot dog color is? Baby bottom pink.
Well,
the other thing is they,
this is a little doggy.
Quite easy there. Quite frankly, they might be a little more expensive too. So, and they're not as readily available. Although nitrate-free hot dogs, I think it's Apple Valley. I think that may be a brand that actually makes nitrate-free hot dogs.
There's a few brands,
and not to say that we're perfect, because we've been known to munch on a ballpark Frank, in the past ourselves, and even to this day to some degree. But
this is the thing. People eat these consistently. Some people eat hot dogs every week. And, if you go to a barbecue, obviously they might not have those there. And if you eat once in a while, everything in moderation, I would guess. But
right.
People eat hot dogs once a week. But it's not only hot dogs. It's also in all processed meats and processed fish.
Cured meats and cured
I'm sorry.
Bacon, ham, those types of things.
So we have, eating lunch meat. It's in a lot of regular lunch meats, too. But you can request or can look. I know I went to shop at BJ's, and they have nitrate-free ham. Tastes exactly the same, nitrate-free turkey.
There's a lot of options. You just have to ask either your grocer, or you have to just read your labels, and that's going to be the subject of another one of our videos here too. Is going to be reading your labels, really actually knowing what is in the stuff that you're putting in and on your body and your kid's body, because there's a lot of junk out there that really isn't that good for you. And a lot of this stuff is cumulative too. So you eat a hot dog today, you eat a hot dog next week, you eat a hot dog 3 weeks from now. And, it starts to add up after a while. So
here's a few things you could do. Obviously, do not buy hot dogs that contain nitrates, since you can buy the healthy hot dogs out there.
Check the labels.
Check your labels. Very simple. And number 2, request, if your supermarket does not carry those and you don't have a Trader Joe's nearby or such, just request that they carry them, and they will stock what you request. Did you know that? You could request food there.
Yeah.
Also, contact your local school board. If they're serving hot dogs in school, just simply go to this website, PreventCancer.com, print off page 1 about nitrates, bring it in and see what, basically, it's nothing healthy in there for the kids. Yeah. You're talking about the protein, all that. This is going to be much more detrimental. So when you tell your kid, finish eating that hot dog, you're actually doing them more harm than good if it's got nitrates in it.
And here's the thing, too, is hey, there's so much for parents to worry about and think about and everything else. And if you just take one step at a time and, hey, do you want hot dogs? Maybe switch to, hey, a chicken leg or something like that, or something different.
Or the nitrate-free hot dogs. We've had them. They're actually very tasty. Yeah, they're not as pink.
We like the dirt dogs, too. The veggie dogs are pretty good, too. That's a great alternative.
Dirt dogs. Call them dirt dogs.
Dirt sandwiches,
they're called
dirt
smart dogs.
Smart dogs. Schmotty pants. But here's the end of it. Hey, it's baseball season. It's picnic season. Everybody's got hot dogs and hamburgers and everything else. So you do whatever you can. You do your best. We're just trying to give you a little bit of insight on what may or may not be good for you. So hey, buddy, great seats, buddy. Get out of my seat. That's my seat over here.